Mexico! Welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina. Is this a good look for me? No, really, is it? I went to the eye doctor today and he gave me these glasses. Think I need a second opinion? I'm just thinking. I know bad eyes runs in the family. In fact, my father had a couple of cataracts, a 2-door and a 4-door. Ho! Ha! All right, enough of that. And you know what? Enough of these. Bagels. Yes, they're bagels. And this one, you know, these ones here are poppy seed and onion. I'll have those a little bit later. But you know what we're going to do today? We're going to have pizza today. And you're wondering, what does that have to do with pizza? Well, I'm going to tell you. It's going to have a lot to do with pizza. You know that pizza is America's favorite food? That's right. And I'll tell you something else. You are going to love what we do today. Okay, look at this. Woo! Is this beautiful or what? Pizza, baby. Everybody loves pizza. America's favorite food, like I said. And today we're all lined up to do something really special for you. Come on in. Okay, a little Italian lesson today and a review. This is onion, chopped up, cipolla. And then, of course, we have mushrooms, funghi. I know you've heard that one before. And then we have pepperoni. This is a tough one for you, folks. Pepperoni. Then, of course, we have sausage. And then this is the casing. You know how you buy these Italian sausage in the store? Well, this is how I do it. Buy the Italian sausage, you slit it open, you cook it. I'd rather you cook it. That way you know for sure. And it's all done. You go ahead and place it in. And then we're going to come over here to some garlic. This is aglio. Okay? And then we're going to have what's this oregano. And this is a little secret ingredient for pizza. Oregano. And it's called oregano. Okay? And then we're going to come over here. And then look what we got here. Look at this beautiful sauce. Look at that. And SUGO. This is the sauce that's going to go on the pizza. And then we're going to have our cheeses. Today we're using Jack, mozzarella, and what else? That's right. That's right. You can see it in there. Doesn't that look good? A little cheddar. I like it for the color. And then, of course, we have arrived at our pizza bagel thins. And look at these babies. Little sesame on top. Now, you know what? This is how they come. They come just like this, okay? And what I want to do today is I just want to use the tops. I'm not trying to waste any food, but I want to use the tops because they'll bake up and there'll be a nice crunch to them. All right, I got my spoon here with a little sauce. This is how we're going to start it up. And like I said, you can do what you want to do. Look at I just love to put a big amount on it just like that. And we're going to go ahead and take care of that in just a second. We'll go all the way through this. You don't have to worry about making a little mess because you got the board down there like this and we're going to adjust it all. It's going to be great, you know. This is what it is, so much fun. You know, have pizza parlors? Pizza parlors? Yes, I've had a couple pizza parlors. Actually, to tell you the truth, I had 2 pizza parlors way back when in St. Louis, Missouri. And I had those until Uncle Sam came calling. And, you know, it wasn't my Uncle Sam who lived next door. Let's put it that way. But anyway, this is where I learned this part. And what you do is just go around just like this. You put the sauce on. It's a very nice. I love it to do it. An abundance of that. Look at it. Oh, my goodness. This is going to be so tangy and wonderful. Let me tell you something else here. This is really great about this is that here's my secret ingredient, okay? This is the parsley, okay? And this is the secret ingredient right here. Okay, so we're going to go put a little parsley on like this, like that, and it really gives it that pizza flavor. Did I say parsley? I meant oregano. Let's forget about that. It's oregano. You put oregano in here. Okay, just like that. Okay. All right, just like that. And then we're going to put today, we're going to go ahead and use pepperoni. We'll put pepperoni for those of you who like pepperoni out there. Look how simple this is. I'm telling you, this is crazy simple. And I'm going to load that baby up, okay? And we'll do one more of this, the pepperoni like this. Look. This is too simple. And you know, the kids could join in on this. The adults can have a great time. This is great for a party. You could separate them all out, you know, and everybody can get whatever they want. Okay, now we're going to use some fungi, some mushrooms. Let's go ahead and put the mushrooms down here just like this. I'm going to tell you something. You don't have to be careful about how you do it. I know there's a hole in the middle, but who cares? You know what I'm saying? So you go ahead, and you know what we're going to do? There's a mushroom right now. Now we're going to do a mushroom. Look at this. Look at this. You're going to love it. And we're going to use some cipolla, some onion. Okay? And this one's going to be mushroom and onion. Oh, gosh. Look at that. And you just go ahead and you just put it all over there just like that. And then over here, I'm just going to use just an onion pizza. Just look at that. Maybe you just like onions. That's it. Okay? Look how beautiful that looks. Now we're going to come over here and get our cheese. Okay, and this so far, look how simple that is. Now we get our cheese, and we just go ahead and just put it right on top. Don't worry about it. Put it down. to put it down. A lot of cheese on there. There's a cheese pizza there. And we got our onion pizza right here, just like this. Look at this. Now we got our pepperoni, just like that. And now we got our mix, our onion and our mushroom, just like that. Okay? And then over here, the mushroom over here. Now, you think I forgot, didn't you? No, I didn't. This is the sausage, okay? Right here's the sausage. And when we kicked it up, now remember over here is the cheese pizza, okay? But what I'm going to do here is, I actually should have put this down underneath here. But you know what? It's okay to put it like this and put the sausage right on top there. If you do it like this, it's okay. You try it any way you want to try it. You can put anything on these pizzas. And then, on top of that, that's when you come back, put a little bit more cheese on top of that. Okay, just like that. So now, you got your sausage. You got your onion and mushroom. You got your mushroom, right? You got your pepperoni. You got 2 pepperonis. You know what I mean? And I'm going to tell you something. This is going to be marvelous. Oh, look how gorgeous this looks right here. But there's 1 or 2 other things I want to do here before we go any further. Okay? We're going to put a little bit of garlic powder on top just like that. Now, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do it. You know what I mean? But that's what we're going to do today. Okay? And then, on top of that, I already know that I did this. You already know I did this earlier. But the oregano, it goes on top of just a little tiny bit. And not so much of the oregano. Remember, you got to sing it to your food. It's always good. I'm going to tell you something. The food, it loves to hear you sing. The musica, the love, the amore. You know what I'm saying here? Okay, here we go. Now, are you ready, folks? This is going to be great. Now, we're going to go and put them in the pan right now. Right now, I heated up the pan. And I got a medium heat with a lid. And that's what we're going to go do right now. Are you ready? You're going to love it. Ah, look how gorgeous these look. So let's come on over here. All right, put them right in here. And then I'm going to get my spatula. Just like that. And I'm going to put them right in the pan just like this. This is a special little pan I bought to do this. You know, you can just use your round pans at home or whatever, as long as it has a lid. Now, I have a lid, too, for this one. But, you know, it doesn't fit quite right. You know what I mean? But because it's going to contain the heat, it's going to be just fine. You know what I mean? I'd rather have it like closed in, but you know, this will work just fine. So you want to have it, remember, on a medium to low heat. Okay? Look how gorgeous that looks! Oh my God, that's beautiful! What a creation! Don't you love that? And we'll go ahead and we'll put this on just like that. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. We're gonna let them go. Gotta keep an eye on them, of course, you know. Let them brown on the bottom. That's the pan part, pan pizza. And they'll melt on the top. It's gonna be great, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna bring this back over here right now. And let's go back and take a look at those in just a couple seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna check on them to see how they're going. I don't want them to burn or nothing. Let's go look. I'm gonna move them around a little bit because the burners are under the more end parts. So I'm gonna move them around so things don't burn, you know what I mean? And if you have a round pan, you know, you probably don't have to worry about this as much because I have the square one. You know, the burners are under certain areas. So we move that around just like that. And we'll just move this. Look how gorgeous this looks. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. Oh my God, what a creation. Look at this. Look at everybody gets a pizza. Isn't that something? Okay, I think it's time. Let's go check on them. I can't wait. This is going to be delicious. Oh, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Let's bring the pan in just like this. Look at this. Look at this. Everybody gets a pizza. Everybody gets whatever they want, even if they want pineapple. But anyway, let's don't talk about that today. Look at the salsiccia. Look at the salsiccia right in the middle. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Oh, this is just wonderful. This is just wonderful. Look at that. Oh, God. And then, of course, you know, you can cut them up. I would let them cool for a little bit, but it's okay. You know, look at how nice this looks. And you know what I got to do is I got to cut the sausage. We're going to cut the sausage. Listen to the crispness. Listen. Listen real close. Do you hear that? That's what you want. That's what you want. Oh, my God. I'm going to go ahead and try this, you know. Oh, my own. Look at this. Look at the bottom. Can you see the bottom? Look at the bottom. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Look how beautiful that looks. Nice crunch. Top's all melted. It's gorgeous. Mmm. I wish you were here. I wish you were here when the moon hits you hard like a bigger pizza. pizza pie, that's amore.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling, and we'll sing, oh, Vito Bella. Hearts will play, tip-tip-tay, oh, then they'll say, lucky fella. When the stars make you drool, just like a pasta fazool, that's amore. When you dance it down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love. Oh, love, love, baby. When you walk in a dream and you know you're not dreaming, signore. Oh, baby, excuse me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. Hold out, baby. Hey. Make you drool, just like a pasta fazool, that's amore. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love, oh, love, baby. When you walk in a dream and you know you're not dreaming, signore. Oh, baby, excuse me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. One more time, Posani, to me, but you see, back in old